9 minus 6 equals 3, and again 9 minus 6 equals 3, and 3 times 3 equals 9. But this answer is wrong because we didn't pay attention to the order of operations. The rule that comes to our aid here is the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a simple way to remember the order of mathematical operations. The letter P stands for parentheses. The letter E stands for exponents. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. 9 minus 6 is 3, and the expression becomes 9 minus 6 times 3. In this new expression, we have subtraction and multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So 6 times 3 is 18, and finally 9 minus 18 equals -9. Now let's solve a more complex problem. The problem is, open parenthesis 8 divided by 4 times 2 close parenthesis, minus 9 times, open parenthesis 6 divided by 2 close parenthesis. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. The result of the second parentheses is 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. The expression becomes 4 minus 9 times 3. In this new expression, we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so 9 times 3 equals 27. Finally, 4 minus 27 equals -23. If you enjoy this type of video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, goodbye.